Hello everyone, a warm good evening to all of you. So today we are going to start third part of our video, that is today we are going to discuss acceleration due to gravity and some basic numericals concerned to laws of motions. So starting with acceleration due to gravity, when we experience that every body feels free body टेंड्स टू फॉल फॉरवर्ड अर्थ सरफेस। जब हम ये एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, जो हमारी बॉडी है फ्री बॉडी, वो टेंड करती है टूवर्ड्स अर्थ की तरफ, मूव करती है अर्थ सरफेस की तरफ। दिस मोशन ऑफ द बॉडी इज़ ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी। जो ये मोशन है बॉडी का, ये ग्रेविटी की वजह से है। दिस इज़ सरप्राइजिंग दैट इज irrespective of their masses, all heavy or light bodies fall towards earth with same acceleration। मीन्स इट इज़ सरप्राइजिंग डैट कि जो उसका मास है वो हैवी है बहुत, और लाइट भी है। मीन्स हैवी बॉडी हो चाहे लाइट बॉडी हो, और लेकिन वो सेम एक्सेलरेशन के साथ मूव कर रही है टुवर्ड्स अर्थ सरफेस। सो इट इज़ दिस एक्सेलरेशन इज़ कॉल्ड एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, और इस एक्सेलरेशन को हम एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी बोलते हैं और डिनोट करते हैं जी से। दिस वैल्यू of g on the earth surface changes from place to place. It is maximum on the of two poles 9.81 meter per second square and least on the equator 9.7 meter per second square. See this diagram. 9.78.9.81, this is least, and this is on the equator 9.76 equator. However, the average value of g on the earth's surface is 9.8, and the average value of g is 9.8. When a body simply dropped from a height, its motion is called free fall. जब कोई बॉडी ड्रॉप होती है सिंपली हाइट से, तो उस मोशन को हम फ्री फॉल बोलते हैं। इन अ फ्री फॉल ऑफ बॉडी, its initial velocity is 0, since acceleration of falling body is 9 meter per second square. After 1 second of fall, the body acquires the velocity 9.8 मीटर स्क्वायर। वो कह रहा है जब बॉडी फॉल करती है तो वो 9 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर की स्पीड से फॉल करती है, और जब उसकी वेलोसिटी, जब वो बॉडी एक्वायर कर लेती है वेलोसिटी को, तो उसकी भी 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड हो जाती है। इन द नेक्स्ट 1 सेकंड दिस वेलोसिटी इंक्रीजेज बाय अनदर 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड। Thus, at the end of 2 velocity of the falling body becomes 19.6 meter per second. This goes on, and at the end of third second velocity of the body becomes 19.6 plus 9.8 equals to 29.4 meter per second, and so on. In other words, in free fall, a body starts from rest and increasing velocity by the factor of 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड एट द एंड ऑफ ईच सेकेंड। तो इसका कहने का मतलब यहाँ पर ये है कि जो बॉडी फॉल करती है, जब स्टार्ट करती है फॉल करना, तो रेस्ट पे होती है, एंड देन वो इंक्रीज़ करती है उसकी वेलोसिटी को 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड के फैक्टर से। ओके, एंड सो ऑन। ये इस तरह ये कहना चाह रहा है, और आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी। इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो। सो स्टार्टिंग विथ आवर नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ आर टॉपिक, that is numerical concerns to laws of motions. Okay, so we are starting with laws of motions of numerical, first law, also second law and third law, and linear momentum. Okay, all these inertia, so we are doing in this video only. So let's start. So numerical. Two bodies A and B have masses 2 kg and 200 kg, which has greater inertia. तो वो पूछ रहा है, वो कह रहा है कि आपके पास दो बॉडीज़ हैं एंड उसका मास 2 kg एंड 200 kg है, तो उसमें ग्रेटर इनर्शिया किसका होगा? तो वी ऑल नो डैट कि जितना उसका इनर्शिया होगा, जितना उसका मेज़र होगा, मास होगा, उतना ही उसका इनर्शिया होगा, राइट? तो मास किसका ज़्यादा है? बी वाले का। सो आंसर विल बी बी। सो वी विल राइट बी हैज़ greater inertia because it has more mass than A, right? Okay, so starting, I hope you will understand. Starting with second numerical, a cricket ball of mass 100 gram is moving with velocity 25 meter per second. It is the momentum of the ball. तो व्हाट इज़, उन्होंने लीनियर मोमेंटम पूछा है सिंपली हमसे इसमें। तो उन्होंने कहा जो बॉल, क्रिकेट बॉल है उसका मास 100 ग्राम है और जो उसकी वेलोसिटी है वो 25 मीटर पर सेकंड, मींस एक्सेल वेलोसिटी दे रखी है इन्होंने। ओके, तो हम इसमें लीनियर मोमेंटम का फार्मूला लगाएंगे। सो व्हाट इज़ द फार्मूला फॉर लीनियर मोमेंटम? P equals to mv, right? तो मोमेंटम वी विल राइट मोमेंटम of the ball equals to P means linear momentum into mv. M means mass and v means velocity. So we will write 100 upon 100, 100 upon 1000 because it is in gram and it is in meter per second. So we will change it into meter per second and into 25. So we will cancel this 104, so 10 to it will be 2 point something 2.5 kg meter per second. Okay, this is the answer. So I hope you will understand. ये लीनियर मोमेंटम का फॉर्मूला है, आई होप यू ऑल नो डैट. So let's move on to another numerical. A stone of mass 100 kg breaks into two parts such that momentums of the part are equal and opposite. If the first part of mass 60 gram moves towards north with velocity 20 meter per second, what is the velocity of the second part? Suppose एक मास है, ये मास गिवन है हमें 100 ग्राम kg का. ओके, एंड इसकी जो वेलोसिटी है वो 20 है. इसकी जो वेलोसिटी है वो 20 मीटर पर सेकंड है and it is moving towards north. That's why I make the arrow over towards north. So it is asking what whose velocity. एक मास और है, it is mass A and this is mass B. So इसका मास जो है वो 60 kg है. So he is asking what is the velocity of this mass. Okay, so we have to find out the velocity of this mass. So we will take P1 and P2 for momentums. So we will find out, we will subtract mass from 100. We have to find the mass of the mass of the second part na, so we will minus subtract from first part to another part. So we will write mass of the second part equals to 100 minus 40, that will be 60. 40 minus 60, that will be 40 किलोग्राम, राइट. इसका मास निकल गया सेकेंड पार्ट का. सो नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द मोमेंटम, द लीनियर मोमेंटम ऑफ दिस पार्ट. So it will be momentum of the body, momentum of the first part, momentum of part first P1 equals to mv. P1 equals to mv. So it will be 60 kilogram into 20 meter per second, it will be 1200 kilogram meter per second square. Okay, per second. Now momentum for second p2. Now momentum for p2. Momentum of p2 so equals to mv, and it will be 40 into v. We don't know the mass also. We have subtracted total mass. 100 is the total mass. See, it breaks into two parts, 160 and 40. So we have find out the 40. वो 100 ग्राम का था, उसका उस दो पार्ट्स में ब्रेक था, हमें उसका मास भी निकाल फाइंड आउट करना था. So it will be 40 into, so अब now we will do the two siding 40 into v, that will be 1200, and v equals to 1200 upon 1000, that will be 30 meter per second towards south. It will be towards south, right? Because 100 gram is towards 60, so it will be towards south. Now continuing with next example, a particle of 2 gram kg of mass 2 kg experiences a force of 10 Newton. It is the acceleration of that force of that particle. If the particle start from rest, what is its velocity after 5 seconds? So what it will be saying, it is saying that जो उसका मास है it will be 2 kg, right? Solution. Force is 10 Newton. What will we have to given? We will write first. Initial velocity u equals to 0 and time equals to 5 seconds, right? Now we have to do what we have to find from second law of motion. We have to find out, because we have F, we have M, and we have T. So we will find out F equals to ma. F equals to ma. So A will be here and F upon M. What we have to find out, if the particle start from rest after 5 seconds, we have to find the velocity of that particle. Okay, so M, and it will be 10 force 2 meter, so it will be 5 acceleration 5 meter per second. Now we have to find again from the first equation of motion. We are putting first equation of motion. First equation of motion, v equals to u plus at. So v, velocity of the particle will be, we will write velocity of the particle after 5 seconds. So it will be 0 plus 5 into 5 equals to, it will be 5 5s are 25 and 25 meter per second. So it is the answer. Okay, now starting with next numerical. A car starts from rest and gains the velocity 30 meter per second in 10 seconds. मीन्स एक कार है वो स्टार्ट हुई है रेस्ट से एंड अगेन द वेलोसिटी, उसे दोबारा वेलोसिटी मिली 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड इन 10 सेकेंड्स में. ओके, इट इज़ द एक्सेलरेशन गिवन एंड इट इज़ द टाइम गिवन. इफ़ द मास ऑफ द कार if the mass of the car is 400 kg, what is the force applied on the car? So we have to find what is force कितनी लगी उसमें कार में. Okay, and mass is given, velocity is given, and acceleration is given. So we have to find first. So we will put first equation of motion. We will write हमें क्या क्या दिया हुआ है first. Okay, so we will write here fifth part. Okay, so we will find EU equals to 0 because it is in a rest. Final velocity is 30 meter per second. Time is 10 seconds. So we will put first equation of motion. First equation of motion. U equals to V plus 80. Z 30 equals to 0 plus A into 10. So it will be 10A equals to 30. It equals to A equals to 3 meter per second square. Now what we have to find? Force applied. The force का formula it will be F equals to ma, and we have given 400 kg into acceleration we have find out, and it will be 1200 Newton. It will the answer. Okay, I hope you will understand this example also. If you have any doubts, please comment me below. I will make another video for numericals. Okay, so continuing with next numerical. What would require a greater force? So we have to find some forces over here. When acceleration 0.5 kg, mass at 2 meter per second square. सो जब उसमें उन्होंने कहा है हमें मास उसका फोर्स ग्रेटर फोर्स फाइंड आउट करनी है, राइट. तो जब हमारे पास एक्सेलरेशन उन्होंने कहा है 0.5 kg होगा, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड. तब जब हमारे पास 0.5 kg होगा एक्सेलरेशन और मास होगा 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड, तो वी विल राइट m इक्वल्स टू एफ ए. वी हैव टू फाइंड फोर्स. So acceleration is 0.5 and mass is 2 into 0.5. It will be 1 Newton. It will be 1 Newton, right? 1 Newton. When second part, this is first part, second part. Acceleration 0.1 kg and mass at 5 meter per second. So again we have to find write the same formula. Mass is 0.5 and acceleration is 0.1 kg. So we will write the answer of 0.5 Newton because we have to finding force. Now third and last part of this numerical, it is saying that or moving 2 kg mass at velocity 10 meter per second. So इसमें mass हमें given है 2 kg and it is इसमें हमें given है velocity. Okay, so this is your homework. You will give the answer in the comment section. If you not solve this, please comment me below, and if those who have solved this question, please write the answer in comment section. Okay, this is your homework. Third, please note down this question. I hope you will note down. So moving to next numerical. The linear momentum of shells of mass 5 kg moving with velocity 10 meter per second shall be. So it will be telling that जो हमारा शेल का मास है वो 5 kg है, मास is 5 kg, moving with velocity 10 meter per second. So what is its linear momentum? We have to find out its linear momentum, means P. So P equals to mv equals to m is 5 and v is 10. So 5 into 10, that is 50 kilogram meter per second. This is your answer. Simple question, right? Moving to next question, next part. So the linear momentum of a ball of mass 50 gram is 0.5 kg. Find its velocity. So here we have to find its velocity. So we know that F equals to ma. So ma equals to linear momentum we have given, sorry, P equals to mv. So P we have given that 50 gram and mass is 0.5 and into V. So 0.50 upon 0.5, it will be 100. V equals to 10 velocity. Okay, 10 meter per second velocity. It is your answer. Now a force, moving to next numerical, a force of 10 Newton acts as a body of 5 kg of mass 5 kg. Find the acceleration produced. We have to find its acceleration. So F force equals to ma, F equals to 10, m equals to 5 and a equals to a. So 5 upon this and a equals to 2 meter per second square. Okay, this is your answer. Simple questions. I hope you will understand all the numericals. If you have any problem in any of the numericals, please comment me below and do the homework which I have given you. Comment me below if you have not solved, if you have not solved that numerical. I will upload that numerical in my next video. And please, if you have not understood any of these numericals, please comment me below. Okay, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.